Alright, so in this problem, I have 9 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 270. So, what I'm first going to do is, if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So 9 to the power of x plus 1, I can rewrite as 9 to the power of x times 9 to the power of 1. This is equal to 270. Now, if I factor out 9 to the power of x from here, I get 9 to the power of x times 1 plus 9. Sorry, actually, instead of doing that, I'm actually going to let 9 to the power of x equal to the variable m. So now I have m plus m times 9 is equal to 270. M times 9, that's simply 9m, so I have m plus 9m is equal to 270. 9m plus m, that's 10m, so I have 10m is equal to 270, meaning m is 27. So we got the value of m, but we're actually looking for the value of x. So if 9 to the power of x is equal to 27, because m is 9 to the power of x, then I get 9 to the power of x is equal to 27. So to solve this, I'm going to rewrite 9 here as 3 squared. So now I have 3 squared to the power of x is equal to 27. Now I'm going to rewrite as 3 to the power of 3. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x, that's going to equal 3 to the power of 2x, which is equal to 3. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, this means that m is equal to n. So in this case, n is 1. So I have 2x is equal to 1, meaning x is equal to 1/2. Sorry, this isn't 3 to the power of 1. This is 3 to the power of 3. So 2x is equal to 3, so x is 3 over 2, not 1/2. Now to check, I had 9 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 270. So x is 3 over 2, so I have 9 to the power of 3 over 2 plus 9 to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 is equal to 270. And this is the same thing as 9 to the power of 3 over 2 plus 9 to the power of 5 over 2 is equal to 270. Now, 9 is the same thing as 3 squared, so I have 3 squared to the power of 3 over 2 plus 3 squared to the power of 5 over 2 is equal to 270. These 2's cancel out, these 2's cancel out, so now I have 3 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 5 is equal to 270. Now, 3 to the power of 3 is 27, and 3 to the power of 5 is 243. And 27 plus 243 is 270. So 270 equals 270. Alright, so in this problem, I have 0.2 to the power of x is equal to 2. So for this problem, I want to find the value of x. So for my solution, first start with 0.2 to the power of x is equal to 2. Now I'm going to take the log on both sides. So I have log 0.2 to the power of x is equal to log 2. And if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can actually move this exponent b here to the front. So this can equal b times log a. So in this case, I have log 0.2 to the power of x, and I can move x to the front. So now I have x times log 0.2 is equal to log 2. Now if I divide both sides by log 0.2, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log 2 over log 0.2. Now, if you notice here, log 0.2, well, that's the same thing as log of 2 over 10. And if I have something in the form log a over b, this is simply equal to log a minus log b. So in this case, a is 2 and b is 10. So I can rewrite this as x is equal to log 2 over log 2 minus log 10. Now, log 10, as we all know, is simply 1. So I have x is equal to log 2 over log 2 minus 1. Now, log 2, this is equal to 0.3010. So I have 0.3010 over 0.3010 minus 1. And now this is equal to 0.3010 over 0.6990. And finally, if I divide these two, I get that x is equal to, this is actually negative 0.6990. X is equal to negative 0.43. All right, so in this problem, I have 100 to the power of x is equal to 200. So I'm going to find the value of x here. So for my solution, first start with 100 to the power of x is equal to 200. And now I'm going to take the log on both sides. So now I have log 100 to the power of x is equal to log 200. Now if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, this is the same thing as I can actually move this exponent b to the front. So this can equal b times log a. So in this case, log 100 to the power of x, I can move x to the front. So now I have x times log 100 is equal to log 200. Now, I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by log 100. So log 100 and log 100, these two cancel out. So now I have x is equal to log 200 over log 100. Now log 200, I can rewrite as log of 100 times 2. And log 100, I can rewrite as log 10 squared. Now, if I have something in the form log of a times b, this is the same thing as log a plus log b. So now this is the same thing as log 100 plus log 2. And if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, this is the same thing as b times log a. So log 10 to the power of 2, that's the same thing as 2 times log 10. Now log 10, that's equal to 1. So now I have x is equal to log 100 plus log 2 over 2. And again, we have log 100 again, and that's again going to equal to 2. So I have 2 plus log 2 over 2. And this is the same thing as 2 over 2 plus log 2 over 2. 2 over 2 is obviously 1, so I have 1 plus log 2 over 2. Now we need to find the exact value of log 2, to which we can use a calculator. So if you use a calculator, you get that log 2 is 0.301, and I have that divided by 2. So now this is the same thing as 1 plus 0.1505. So now 1 plus 0.1505 is 1.1505. So this is my answer.